Boom! Here's a recipe for a single serving of Blue Zen. No life story, no BS. Put ingredients into a drinking receptacle, put on the rocks, stir, done. If you've stayed this long to the video, here's more detailed directions. Start by steeping 1 bag of Yogi Green Tea Blueberry Slim Life in, at most, 6 ounces of water. Once the tea is fully steeped, set aside 2 ounces for the drink. Next, add 2 ounces of soju, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice, preferably strained, and 1 ounce of simple syrup. Mix and serve on the rocks. Now I'll go over the research findings. Why is 6 ounces the max for steeping the tea? Well, any more water and the flavor gets too diluted, and 1 bag makes up to 3 servings. Why this brand of soju? Because I like the funny toad and the quality he brings. I personally prefer the Jinro brand, but any standard Korean soju should work. I didn't experiment with the fruity flavors, but let me know if you happen to try it. What's up with the lemon juice? I prefer to strain out the pulp from my lemon juice as a personal preference and for presentation. This is totally optional. I also recommend using regular lemons. I tried using Meyer lemons with this recipe, and the flavor just doesn't work out for me. Finally, adjust to your liking. This recipe is the middle ground. If you have a sweet tooth, like extra lemon, or just want more booze, add a splash more of what you want. And if you're mixing in front of guests, you can add the lemon juice last for that wow factor. And before you go, here are some virgin drink variants that I think are good as well. Enjoy!